Hey, what's up? I'm Eran. This is Carolyn. We're from Improv, and people are always asking us about our exercises and are curious about what we do in our workshops. So we've put 5 free exercises on our website. You can download them right now at powerprov.com.au/free.improv exercises. You'll find it. There's links all over the site. So go to the website. It's right on the top navigation bar. You can download those free exercises. You can run them with your team today. And in the meantime, if what you see there is interesting or you're curious, we have free demo classes all the time. You can sign up for those and we'll send you an email as soon as the next one comes up. If you're watching this and you're not part of a team, you're a solo person and you just want to do a class on your own, we've got some great 6-week classes. You want to talk about how awesome those are?
Yeah, amazing. Trying to jam pack as much good stuff as we can into 6 weeks. Everyone, as Eran always says, comes in strangers. It's amazing within the first, I think, even half an hour.
Yeah.
There's barriers are down, the connections are being made, the fun is starting to be had, and some great takeaways. Everything from vulnerability, openness, connection, active listening, being present, and fun. Fun way to learn how to think on your feet.
Yeah, I think one of the most incredible things about that 6-week class is when we do our 1 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour, 6 hour workshops, they're very effective. They're very powerful. It's important and important training that I think every team should have the opportunity to experience. But for us as facilitators, we come in, we hit you with a bunch of stuff, and then we leave, and we hope that you get the results and it's awesome for you down the track, but we're not there to witness it. Whereas with the class, every 6 weeks, we come in and week to week, we're watching these people completely transform.
Yeah.
And I think that's the juice for me.
Rewarding. It really is.
So anyway, if you're curious about our exercises, you can download 5 free ones on the website. If you're curious about what we do and you want to try before you buy, sign up for a free demo class. You can do that on our website. And if you want to know more specific details, just drop us a note. We'd be glad to answer any and all of your questions. We've also got a free ebook on our website, which you can give to your boss if you want to try and convince them to do this, which we think you should. So hopefully we'll hear from you soon. Thanks for watching.